Good afternoon. A New Mexico police chief is asking a judge to dismiss the criminal case against him. The chief charged with impersonating a police officer after he tased a driver during a traffic stop outside of Loving. News 13's Jessica Barron explains.
That stop involving Loving Police Chief Frank Mathola happened near Carlsbad nearly 2 years ago. Mathola's attorney now says he has proof the chief was allowed to make the stop where a man named Cody Hill was accused of speeding and driving recklessly.
I have no reason to be detained. Officer out of jurisdiction, he's not cross commission, so he has no authority to do none of this bull.
Mathola's attorney says he's now found the document that shows the city of Loving and Eddy County had an agreement which allows both sides to make traffic stops and arrests in each other's jurisdictions. The motion also claims Cody Hill is a former police officer and that Hill's father is friends with the sheriff. Mathola's attorney Gary Mitchell says this case should have never have been charged.
So this idea that he was not a law enforcement officer when he was in full uniform in a marked patrol unit with a joint powers agreement that allowed him to act in that jurisdiction is simply wrong, and those charges should be dismissed. In fact, all charges should be dismissed.
Back when the stop happened, Chief Mathola believed Hill may have been under the influence, but Hill was allowed to leave the scene before ever being tested. The judge has yet to set a date on when he'll hear arguments on the motion. Back to you.
Jessica, thank you. Mathola's trial is currently set for November.